Oh hey, welcome to another edition of hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains with Socrates. Today we're looking at another quill car. This is a telescoping clamshell quill car. I think it's kind of older now. They used to run them a lot, and out at Amsterdam's West Haven I still see one or two of them. I always thought it was a really pretty car, so I made myself one. Actually made it a long time ago, and I was never really happy with it because basically it was pretty plain looking. And this is in two pieces with the top and the bottom are actually both printed against the board, and it has a little tiny tong piece that goes in the middle that ties the whole thing together. But this was, it's alright. I was never really happy with it. Then I went back over some of my cars and trying to add more colors to it. And all I did was add a little bit more panache to it, and in the end, I'm really quite happy with it. I added some yellow handbrakes or locks on the side, which is what it has, and lettering on it. Normally the DB's in here, but it's too small, so I put it there. Other than that, it's got a U on it. I guess it means something. And don't open this side. And also a little tiny brake wheel and tie down there on the bottom. So the bottom's in two colors and the top is in three colors. Microstrain couplers on the bottom, like always, nice and loose. And you got yourself a telescoping quill car. And the printing on it, the color's pretty easy for the most part. This is the type of thing usually I'll start the color in white, and then you just click on the body in brown, and then you click on the outer of the boards in red, and then you click on the edges to make these two into yellow. I always have the different sections sort of segregated off, so if you use the infill and you do it by grouping, basically you can have easy way to color it in the bamboo slicer, which is what I use. And there's also, I do the time saver puzzle myself now, so I need a little, not playing cards, but like placeholder cards, so I made a little tiny card for the card as well. That's included as my time saver placeholder. That way you can know where to put your cards. So you can get that on Colts, like all my stuff. Check it out on Colts. Thanks for watching, and check it out next time. Quill car. I made a quill car. I really like quill cars, so I made a quill car. I made another quill car. I also made other quill cars. Get those louder quill cars. Those came out really good. Quill car.